Self-study online training. This is third class. We'll study about goal and organization. The first, we'll study about quality and cost of failure. This is cost of failure, the percentage from the sales. This is DPMO. We study about this, defect per million opportunity. This is Six Sigma level. Normally, Three Sigma level is the average of the local company here. So they pay because of failure. They pay 30% from the sales. They cost 30% around because of poor quality. But the global company, yes, they pay just 5 to 10%, maximum 15, like this. Here, in case of GE, if quality will approach to Six Sigma level, then 4 billion can be reduced from the cost of failure. It's quite huge. So let's think about cost of failure.
Hi everyone. In this video and the next two videos, we are going to discuss about few concepts related to quality, such as cost of quality, quality control, quality assurance, quality management and total quality management. Here we are discussing the cost of quality. What is meant by quality product? We know that a quality product is one which does what it is designed to do, or a product which does what it is expected to do. This means the product is fit for purpose. We also know that a quality product is one which matches the standards or features or performances described in the user specifications. This means the product conforms to specifications. So for a buyer, a right quality product is one which is fit for purpose and conform to specifications. Now let's discuss cost of quality. The cost of quality can be defined as the cost of good quality and the cost of poor quality. In other words, the cost of quality can be defined as the cost of ensuring and assuring quality and the loss incurred when the quality is not achieved. So the quality related costs include the cost of appraisal and prevention activities and the cost of quality failures. The cost of failure is divided into the cost of internal failures and the cost of external failures. First, let us see the two costs under cost of good quality, or the two costs under cost of ensuring and assuring quality. That is prevention cost and appraisal cost. Prevention costs. These are the costs incurred to prevent or minimize defects or failures. These are the costs of all activities that are designed to prevent poor quality from arising. Some examples are cost of building quality into design, cost of quality improvement projects, cost of quality education and training, cost of running quality problem solving groups, that is quality circles. Appraisal cost. These are the costs incurred as part of the inspection process to make sure incoming materials and outgoing finished products are of the expected quality. That is, the cost of testing and inspections to confirm quality requirements are met. Examples are cost for checking and testing purchased goods and services, cost of quality audits, cost for field testing. By looking at the two costs, we can say prevention costs are the cost incurred in order to minimize appraisal cost. One might argue that these costs are high and it will be more cost effective to spend less on such prevention activities and simply deal with few defects now and then. Is this so? The answer is no, because the cost of quality failure can be very high. Even in recent times, we have seen big firms facing crisis due to quality failures. So we have to understand that there is always scope for improvement, and the cost of getting it wrong is much bigger than cost of getting it right. Now let us see the two costs under the cost of poor quality, or the two sessions under loss incurred when the quality is not achieved. Cost of failure, that is internal failure costs and external failure costs. Internal failure costs. These are the costs arising from quality failures where the problem is identified and corrected before the product reaches the customer. Problems are caused by defects in input products or by inefficiencies in the process. Here, before the product is delivered to the end user, the non-conformance to requirement is identified and corrective actions are taken. Hence, the customer dissatisfaction from receiving a faulty product can be avoided. But still, there are chances of dissatisfaction due to delayed delivery. Some examples are cost of scrapping, cost of reworking, cost of delays, cost of failure analysis. External failure costs. These are the costs arising from quality failures where the problem is identified and corrected after the product reaches the customer. This can cause customer dissatisfaction and sometimes losing loyal customers. So we can easily understand that the cost of external failures need to be avoided or reduced to the minimum. Some examples are cost of customer claims for compensation, cost of repairing or replacing, cost of reputational damage, cost of lost customer. So we discussed the four main categories of cost of quality. We learned that there are costs related to assuring or maintaining quality. Still, cost of getting it wrong is much bigger than the cost of getting it right. Hence, efforts are made to assure quality. These days, there is an increased emphasis on getting it right first time through quality management. In the next two videos, we will discuss few more concepts related to quality. Thank you.
In Six Sigma, we call it hidden factory. So most of the cost is coming from hidden process. We have to eliminate this. In Lean, this concept is waste. Now, we'll study about cost of poor quality, COPQ, and this is visible side. This one is invisible side. So this one is, we can see the cost, what it is. Rework, field service, inspection. But in hidden costs, there are a lot. Especially lost customer loyalty, this is really serious one. Excess inventory, long cycle time, excess material orders, all. So it's coming from cost of poor quality. Let's study some more.
One of the most important ways to realize our vision of becoming the power base for sustainable growth and development is to embrace, integrate, and entrench quality in all phases of our project lifecycle.
Engines throttling up, 3 engines now at 104%. Challenger, go and throttle up. Looking very carefully at the situation. Happy to be a lady.
Nancy and I are pained to the core with the tragedy of the Shuttle Challenge. This is truly a national loss.
That Toyota drivers have experienced.
They potentially have the best answers, so I know whose ass to kick.
quality is like our health. We tend to take it for granted and only notice it when it fails. As we have seen, it only takes one small error to have a massive disaster. Let me thank you for embracing quality and for doing everything in your power to ensure that here at Eskom and within Group Capital, quality comes first and that it becomes a way of life and work.
COPQ, it will not appear when the process in good control. Because of COPQ, high quality cost, quality issues in raw material, poor process capability, non-operating time, high customer satisfaction failure, unexpected quality, measurement system error, and rework. This is the chart for sigma level and other indicators like ppm, parts per million, process capability, CP, CPK, and yield. Let's see, most of manufacturing company located here. So ppm is 66,807. This one convert to yield 93.32%. This one is 100. The percentage is 100. This one is million. So when you combine this one, will be 1. And Six Sigma level is 3.4 ppm, or we call DPMO. And yield 99.99966%. So let's see what is power of Six Sigma. There is an error 1.5 per page, that is 3 sigma level. And 4 sigma level, only one error in a book. And 5 sigma level is series book, only one. But in 6 sigma level, only one error in library. So that is the power of Six Sigma. This is normal organization. This is world-class Six Sigma level organization. As you see, failure cost is around 10 to 25% of gross sales. This one is only 5%. NG rate is 66,807 pieces per million, only 3.4 pieces per million. NG control is mostly focused on inspection, and this one focus on process improvement, more focus on process. No system approach through data gathering and analysis, and this one is not. Mostly we think 99% is good enough, because this one, when you convert to the yield, is 99.33%. But this one, Six Sigma level, 99% is not enough. Only CTQ, they focus on internal. This one, external, in point of customer's view, customer's perspective. That is the difference between 3 Sigma level organization and Six Sigma level. This is organization of belt So let's take a look. From the champion, Master Black Belt, Green Belt, Yellow Belt. Who is Belt? Professional organization with technical background of Six Sigma. Also conduct Six Sigma project and influence Six Sigma to the whole organization. What is the role of the belt? Consulting or involving Six Sigma project through education, training, communication, and case study. Introducing the proper methodologies of Six Sigma, solid understanding and application to project. Managing for continuous maintenance of project. Report the process and result of project to champion. Let's take a look Six Sigma structure and roles. Okay, let's see one by one again. Champion adjusts business strategy for Six Sigma performance successfully and project selecting in his area, managing project and removing all kinds of barriers in project process. So we call him also as a sponsor. Master Black Belt consulting project and training for Black Belt and Green Belt, also Yellow Belt, level up for their organization to Six Sigma level. Be ready for skillful ability in project consulting, methodologies, and application. Black Belt consulting project as a project leader, introducing and training Six Sigma methodology and skill to organization. consulting for Green Belt project and training for Green Belt and Yellow Belt. Apply Six Sigma methodology to the job. And Green Belt as a project leader and engage in Black Belt or Master Black Belt project member. And Yellow Belt, understanding of Six Sigma as a beginner, engaged in Black Belt or Green Belt project members. And let's check for the case of GE, General Electric. What is success factor? Number one, powerful driving force of CEO. Leadership of Jack Welch, former GE CEO. Installing Six Sigma to core value. Engage all organization. Radical case study. Performed educational project as well. So Six Sigma activity is a quality program that, when all is said and done, improves your customer experience, lowers your cost, and builds better leaders. So in 1995, there are only 3.5 Sigma level, but in 2000, they reached to 6 Sigma level.
Six Sigma was developed by Michael Hari at Motorola in the late 80s, but has roots stemming back to William Deming and the principles of zero defects and total quality management. Over several years that follow the initiation of its efforts, Motorola achieved a 200-fold improvement in production quality, from 4 Sigma to about 5.5 Sigma, and saved a reported $2.2 billion in the process. Another early adopter was Allied Signal, as they implemented the methods in the early 90s, so that it became more than just a system to measure production quality. Six Sigma became well known after CEO Jack Welch made it the central focus of his business strategy at General Electric in 1995 to drive growth and cost reduction. And in GE's 1999 annual report, they attributed benefits of $2 billion net income to Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a compilation of statistical concepts and other tools and techniques put together in a systematic way to get results. In this course, we will look at some of the basic fundamental concepts aligned to the White Belt course.
And let's see how they can achieve stock value 240% up. They have 60,000 Green Belt and Master Black Belt, they have 4,000. And Six Sigma project, 20,000 cases. The benefit is $32 billion US. So because of this reason, Six Sigma is spread worldwide. Thank you for this class. Let's see next class.